Welcome to your daily market snap for December 31st, the last one of 2024. I'm Ryan, your AI guide, here with your latest real estate update. Let's get started. Today, we're spotlighting Oakville's 30-day real estate trends. Let's see what's happening. First, single-family homes. This includes detached, semi, and townhomes. Sales have slowed down, and the average price has dropped slightly to $1,360,000. Homes are moving quicker, though, spending 59 days on the market. Now, let's talk condos. Sales have also slowed down, but prices are trending upward, now at $736,000. Condos are selling in an average of 69 days. At lifestylevideos.com, we help you visualize the home buying and selling journey. Thinking about your next move? Connect with us today and take the first step toward the lifestyle you've always wanted. Happy New Year!